It's really thick density, so when you apply it, just make sure you blend it out. And if you feel like, for instance, if you're feeling it's not enough right here, you make sure you get more, because you don't want to be too little or too much. Too little of the condensed glue gels not gonna help to bond the crystals, but if too much, then it might flood your crystal. So I'm gonna put this on the side and then put the cap on, and no wipe top coat floating on the top of unclear condensed glue gels. And now we can place some of, I'm gonna pick this one. This is a radiance cut. I'm gonna place some of my purple's dragon scale. I'm so obsessed with this. So much fun to do with. You can do dragon scale with crystal. You can do dragon scale by itself. And I'm using some pink. Again, it's landing on the wrong side. This one is so easy to place and so easy to apply them on. I'm gonna using Crystal Mix AB, which is you are going to have it in your kits as well. Looks so cute though. You can absolutely leave it like this, so you can frame this one. I'm gonna frame that. You don't have to, but if you want to, you can absolutely frame this to just make it a little bit. Or you can using golden frames and frame it first. If you get chance to watch some of ours tutorials with the golden frames, it's so much fun to play with that. So I'm really excited to see your beautiful work. That's the right one. There you go. So I'm using again my crystals AB, which is also come in the kits, and I can't wait to do so many more design with those kits. Like, it had everything in there. You have to pick one items, and there's so many to choose for. If you are really into the crystal and looking for a really good idea for this, I will pick the kits. Be honest, because it had everything in there. You have from your basics, like all beautiful crystal, to really like dramatics. Also, if you are in the crystal placement, as well as dragon scale, there's dragon scale in there, and encapsulating, there's glitter butterflies in there. And then there are some frame for you to place it, beads in there, like everything you needed. I look at that and I said, oh my god, it's so complete. And then you have your brush, your pickers, your precision glue. I'm going to share with you in a little bit when we're doing that. And you get your tray, you get your like diamond dust Pixie. It's so much fun to do that one. And that nails, you can absolutely up service between, you know, $10 to $30 if you do that with like a bling out completely crystals. So we have a lot of different video for that. Please check them out. All right, if you're happy for this, we are going to here, but I think I want one more piece on it, to be honest. Right there. I don't want to cover down on the end of the nails because it's super cute. The snake skin's foil. So I'm going to leave it alone, but I'm going to place on this area. So I'm not worried about this side because I absolutely can't put the precision glue on it. Let me see if I can do this. It looks good. I just used only one bead on this. If you are beginners and you like place them all together, it's so much fun. You don't have to worry. This one I didn't put any beads at all, but it looks so cute. Hope you like it. We wouldn't be here without every single view. So this is tutorial for you. A lot of love from us to you. All right, so I am happy with this. Now I am going to cure. If you're not happy, then you can continue to add more on it. I think it looks gorgeous if you add more or less. Okay, now we're gonna cure this one.